So today I'm working on this right here. You can see that the bolt is missing from this bar that supports the engine. Here's the bolt here. Here's the bolt here. It's a special bolt, and it's been like this since I got it, and I've driven it like 60,000 some miles like this. But it's not good, and it causes vibration. So I bought a thread repair kit, as you can see here. The thread is M12 by 1.25. This is a Chinese knockoff kit. It's basically a helicoil. And what you do is you drill it, use the tap here, then use this tool and insert the adjustable ring. Then you thread it in, going one direction, then you break off the little tangs that are on the bottom, which you'll see in a minute. So we're going to start by drilling it. Drill this, use a little cutting oil on the tip of the drill. No core is a really good one. It contains a sulfur in it, and as it heats up, it helps lubricate it. Otherwise your drill is just going to bind in the hole. You'll want to confirm that the pitch of the tap is the same as the pitch of the bolt. The size will be slightly different because this is for a thread repair, but you want to confirm at least the pitch is the same, which it is. You can see they line right up. What you do is run the tap up there. You should be using a tapping fluid or a cutting fluid on there. Make sure that you don't break the tap and everything cuts smoothly. Insert tool that has a little slot there, and I've run the ring down and tightened the Allen head. So I'm now going to wind it in. Very gently turn it in. A little oil is never a bad thing, I don't think. A little bit more. We're almost there. Alright, it's about half a turn below the surface, and we are done. We just got to break off the tab now. Alright, I'm just going to insert this tool here and hit it and break off the tang. You can use a file card, a wire brush, or a triangle file to clean it up a little bit. That's if you don't have a rethreading die for the bolt. And you can see our bolt, and as you can see, our bolt is in there and tightened.